to the emergency alert system.
Yes, right.
This station is testing its emergency alert system equipment. The EAS will provide timely emergency warnings. This station serves the Pittsburgh Extended Operational Area. This concludes this emergency alert system test.
What was that? Oh, wait. I know what I'm doing. There we go. And as usual, I'm joined along with
Antonio, also known as Pittsburgh EAS.
The Horn Boyo.
Horn Boyo?
I'm the one that's more.
AKA the... What?
I'm the one that's more horny.
That's actually true, but... Anyway, I'm soon gonna be the birthday boyos. I'm gonna...
Hey, happy birthday, lovey Bubby.
Happy birthday, Mommy!
Happy birthday!
Anyway, what I was trying to say was, I'm soon gonna be the birthday boyo in a week.
Yes.
Yes, you'll be 17, right?
Yes, and about that, it's going to be later than usual.
Yeah. Like last year.
Yeah.
In a way.
Ish. Yeah.
Even though there's probably gonna be a party, I probably might not be able to make it, though.
Oh.
It's late. It's later.
Oh, yeah.
Like, we're thinking 18th and 19th.
Yeah. But anyway, what's your name?
The... Anyway, that's Streets Fun Thread. I forgot what else I was about to say.
Thank you. And I don't think there's anything much else to say other than Kdka testing. But by the way, something I did want to mention, I tried recording the test as the MP3 on my Kdo. It worked. Let's go.
Oh, yeah, the MP3 that... Oh, yeah, the
Yeah,
MP3.
I'm gonna soon plug it into my computer and then see
The
it.
MP3. It's
see
the
what-
MP3 that, made... It's the MP3 that made the Kdo hump every night. I mean, what?
What? Savage! Anyway, yes, this actually works, and I'm soon gonna plug it in my computer and test the audio there. But yeah, I don't think there's anything else to say. But thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time. Peace.